You see the animals? Yeah. Mr. Lion and Mr. Giraffe. Here comes a monkey. Here comes a monkey. Here comes Mr. Elephant. Hi, sweetheart. You love your animals. Do you love your animals? Say hi, animals. You like sticking that tongue out today. Yes, you do. Yes, you do, sweet girl. Are you going to say hi to Aunt Patty? Say hi, Aunt Pat. When are you coming to visit me? When are you coming to visit the little gagoots? Yeah, hurry up. Hurry up and come and see us. Yeah, look at me kick my legs. Kick, kick, kick. Such a good baby. What are you saying? Yeah. Yeah. Such a good girl. I think you're the prettiest baby ever. Ever. What are you looking at, sweetheart? What are you looking at, sweetheart?